Good day everyone, Les again, Chief Analyst of BG Trading Australia. As I promised, I'm doing this second video with three tech stocks. Start with Droneshield, then Zip, and then I'm going to be talking about Megaport as well. The all stocks that we have been trading in this channel together with our VP members. So if you're interested learning more about our VP membership program, just jump on our website, bgtrading.com.au. Anyway, these three stocks are offering what I think potential upside opportunities. Okay, even though Zip is not at what we call technically discounted price, which would be the best area to buy. We bought Zip at technically discounted price last year, and we've been taking most of the ride towards the current level. Let's have a look. Remember, this is not a financial advice, it's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, how we avoid FOMO, like buying stocks at levels that we shouldn't be buying, and much more. So if you like, please subscribe this channel and share. Share this video with someone that you believe would be interested. Also like to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community. Details in the description below. Now let's jump straight into Droneshield. The reason I'm bringing Droneshield here again is because we finally found what we believe was a effective hypothetical support level which the stock has bounced. As you can see here, since the stock has crashed from $2.70 on 16th of July, then we is looking at like measuring this, Droneshield has fallen 44%. With strong fundamentals, the company has, by many analysts, has been taken as a very overvalued stock. But now it has changed because it has lost $1 billion market cap over the last, pretty much last 30 days. And at the current level, it seems to be reasonably, I won't say highly de-risked, but reasonably de-risked. So as you can see, the first three green candles since the fall shows us the first signs of reversal. Then we look into the RSI and also suggesting that the stock could still run a little bit further. And this is our modeling. We believe we could see a Droneshield reaching potentially $1.50 and then bouncing back and maybe breaking out to the upside. Obviously, we need to see what's coming up on the full year result, which is due for the end of this month, and the outcome of the most recent capital raising by the company. Most importantly, Droneshield will be very well cashed up with over $200 million cash for R&D and to be able to produce all the equipment necessary to fulfill its latest commercial agreement. So for us, Droneshield at this current level, it's in perfect entry area. Obviously, if you are able to buy under $1 would be even better, but at the moment, it looks like it's building momentum as we speak. The chart shows exactly what I'm talking about. Let us know what you think about Droneshield and whether you are also optimistic of a potential reversal as I am, or you think Droneshield will crash further. Now, second stock is Zip. So you know I will be trading Zip for many years. And as you can see on the share price here, also on the green candle, that start building momentum again to the upside. It took a little while, but the volumes start increasing as we speak today as well. Stronger volume building up, and we might see a touching $2 again in the short term. If not tomorrow, maybe sometime next week. Now, obviously, if offshore markets don't crash again like happened last week. Most analysts are thinking that we will see a strong bounce. We're actually been seeing a strong bounce on the market. I think we just got to be careful, because if there is recession, the narrative changes, and then that's we have been seeing some pretty negative days in US, not only last week but in 3 weeks ago as well. If you look at Nasdaq side, Nasdaq chart, we will see what I'm talking about. The RSI looks positive here, constructive, and I'm a long holder on this particular stock at the moment. I think we are likely to see a strong bounce here as volume start building up, as I said before. The strong support level you need to consider if you're going to buy this stock and place stop loss would be around $1.50. Best entry level now will be around $1.50, but looks like it's not going to come back in the short term. So we gotta buy as close as possible of this red line here, which we call a short-term moving average, SMA 40. And the last one that I like at the moment is Megaport. Megaport has also came down quite substantially from its higher, with soft growth results in the last quarter to fall 33% since its recent peak. See, like for many people, considered to be a double bottom here. And I strong think that Megaport around $10, it's in reasonably good value to buy that prior the full year result. Now, if you're able to get Megaport around $8, then even better. But I don't know if it's going to bounce back here. So I think this is already a technically discounted price, not only for the long term, but also for the short term. Always hard to pick up bottoms. We try, look, as much as we try to pick up bottoms, you got to understand that it's very, very hard to pick bottoms and tops. So that's why we detect areas in which the stock is trading at technically discounted price or fair price or formal levels, which ultimately we will be avoiding, which is exactly when the stock was, when Megaport was trading at the top there. So because we have this lower high here, concerns a little bit when it was trading $12. Now at $10, it looks reasonably good to buy. However, remember, this is not a financial advice, okay? However, we might see MP1 testing $8, and that is a very strong support level. Okay, so if you have to buy now in a speculation of the upcoming result, because the price has been already came down 38%, I would be buying only half of the units at the current level and looking at buy more if reach $8.50, which is the hypothetical support level, the next support level, as I said before. But not putting all the money at the first entry. And remember, the market's likely to be volatile, so we might see further degradation in tech sector. If the tech stocks falls in US, might drag everything we're talking about in this video down as well. So just be careful with that. Hope that was valuable. Let us know what you think, which one of these three stocks you prefer and why. And whether you think there's more upside for Megaport or that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.